Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you where to find the best eSIM for India. The first website is maya.net. It is 4.6 star rated by Trustpilot, over 7,000 review, and from here you can get in the eSIM. You can get Wi-Fi hotspot, instant activation, 4G and 5G data, optional auto renew. Now you can get Indian eSIM from here. First you have to select the destination. From here you just need to search for India and select India here, and then you have to select the arrival and departure date. For example, I'm going to select this and this date. I'm going to select this 8 days plan. Now search for plans, and here is all the plans available for India. And also you can browse all eSIM plans to search for all the plans that available in maya.net or Maya mobile. And from here you can see the 20 GB in data with eSIM. You can find 4G eSIM from here for $34.99, and also there are so many exciting deals available in this website. You can simply click on buy now button, and from here you can customize your plan. You can customize starting date, you can customize prepaid time. Also here you can set it for 5 days or more than 10 days. Now auto recharge, you can enable auto recharge, and here is details about your eSIM and the total payable amount. You can pay this amount with your Visa card or your MasterCard, your Amex card, PayPal account, Google Pay or Apple Pay. Then you just need to click on next button and create an account if you don't have an account in Maya. Then from here you just need to enter the first name and the last name, then your email address and the password from here, and then you have to enter a valid and active phone number. Then click on these two boxes. One is for the promotions and another is for agreeing to their terms and services, and then simply click on review and pay, and then you will redirect it to the checkout page where you can use your Google Pay or PayPal account or credit card. If you want to go with your credit card, then select credit card. If you want to go with your Google Pay, then click on buy with GPay, and it will redirect you to the Google GPay transaction page, and also the PayPal the same. It will redirect you to their transaction page. Here you just need to log into your PayPal account, and you have to give the access for and give the permission for this transaction, and you have to enter your credentials. Then you also can use your credit or debit card for this payment. You can enter your card number, expiry date, your security code and name on card, that's mean the card holder name. Then you just need to simply click on pay button here, and you have to pay $34.99 for this package. Now the second website is ERLO, and you just need to go to erlo.com, and it is 4.5 star rated in Google Play Store and App Store. Then from here you just need to select India. Also you can search for the country in this search box, and after selecting it you will find the exciting eSIM offers that available in ERLO, and from here you just need to choose one of them. You can see all the package from here. ERLO also offers the unlimited data for eSIM. You can simply click on buy now button here, then you will direct it to their transaction page, and here you can see the additional information about the eSIM. You just need to click on buy now, and if you don't have any account in ERLO, then you have to create one. I'm going with my Google account in ERLO. Then after signing up you can find a checkout page where you can choose a payment method that you want to use to purchase this eSIM. You can use your credit or debit card. You can purchase this eSIM through your PayPal and Alipay. Also, you can apply any promo code, or you can use any year money that you have stored in YaRalo. First, you have to choose the payment method from here, a valid payment method. Then you have to click on this box and here read and accept their terms and conditions. Then click on complete order and you will instantly get the eSIM connected with your device, and you can use the data of the eSIM. That's how you can purchase best eSIM from this best website and most trusted website. So hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.